Hello, so I have a super fun vlog for you guys this weekend. So basically, me and Mia are going on this little Palm Springs photo shoot for this hair extension company. Basically, they gave us hair extensions, did our color, all that stuff, all in preparation for this little influencer trip in Palm Springs this weekend. So it's this afternoon and then overnight and then all day tomorrow we're shooting. Just getting basically content with the hair. Like guys, my hair has literally never been this thick in my entire life. They put like 3 wefts in it and it is thick. Look how well they blended it. It feels like so nice. Like I don't think I can ever go back to having my normal hair. Like this is maybe my dream. So anyway, super excited. We have a bit of a road trip ahead of us. It's about 2-ish hours to get there. So we're driving up there and then literally we're just shooting as soon as we get there. I don't even know. This is gonna be so interesting. I've never done anything like this before. But me and Mia are in this together. I was meant to be her +1 originally, but they ended up offering me the same deal. So I got the hair extensions too. And yay, it should be really fun. So it's about 1:30 right now. We're gonna leave in about 20 minutes. And then the weekend is ours. We'll see where it takes us. It should be interesting. They literally said to bring just like as many outfits as you want. So this is my suitcase for a day and a half. I honestly just brought everything I thought I could like maybe wear. Just like outfits I kind of like that could be cute. Because I just want like as many pictures as possible. And like we're only there for a day and a half. So we need to make it look like it's like multiple days at least. So I have like 6 bikinis, like 7 outfits. It's a lot. Here is my outfit. This dress is from Pretty Little Thing. It's so comfy. And then I just got some Converse on and that's it. They said we're shooting like literally as soon as we arrive, so I wanted to like look cute and stuff. I don't know if this is gonna be comfy in the car for 2 hours, but I think it'll be fine, so we're good. Bug is full. Got the cowboy hat. We're so prepared, like overly prepared. We're going for a day and a half.
Here we go.
Road trip.
Road trip.
Okay, 2 hours later, we're here. The house is really cute.
It's so
That's
cute.
the outside, but it's like pink and stuff. Have fun.
Pink and stuff.
Yay! Okay, we're gonna go inside and see what's inside. Guys, it's so hot. Oh, I haven't felt the heat in like a really long time. Okay, here we go. Oh!
You want that one?
Yeah!
Cool.
Oh my god, this is so cute! Yay!
So
Oh my god, wow.
cute.
This is the bed.
Oh my gosh, the fridge is so cute.
Oh!
Pink?
Oh!
Sorry, I'm obsessed.
Oh my god, it's pink! This is a big closet. Wow.
I look at the big
hooked
vlog
up
camera
here.
me with my little phone.
Still, you're in the beginning stages of the vlogging life.
I know, I'm learning. I was giving you lessons.
Yay! It's so cute! Thank God there's AC in here because it is so hot. I think everyone's still getting here though, so we're just kind of chilling, trying to get some of our own pictures. Hey, outfit number 2 of today.
It's been like 1 hour.
I think this is from Zara. Her dress is Princess Polly. Cowboy boots from Amazon.
Oh, that's cutie. You're gonna like these. Yeah. Wait, let me. Hey.
Should we venture outside?
Yeah.
Yay. Oh, there's this whole other little room. Cute little green couches. And then there's like a full kitchen back here. They just like stocked us up with all this food. Look at all that. There's like donuts and like Chick-fil-A is a sponsor, so we got a lot of Chick-fil-A. This is so much stuff. Okay guys, outfit number 3. I don't know where this set's from. It's Madison's. Like literally I'm just wearing Madison's clothes on the strip. And cowboy boots again. We're just like taking pictures and making TikToks. I feel like you need a pool moment with that.
I know.
Like by the pool. You're like sitting on the end of the Chase Lounge. Like sitting on the end, like of that one. I think that'd be good. Okay, I'm getting ready for dinner. Got a new outfit. I think I've literally changed 4 times today, but it's fine. Oh wait, the sunset's really pretty. It doesn't look like good on camera, but it's nice. This vlog is gonna be mostly like outfits. No, I feel like a mother in this outfit, but
You're like sweaty daughter.
I'm like, put that away, Mia. Yay. Mia's wearing my Amazon skirt. Look how
It's so
good it looks.
cute.
Guys, I'll link it below. It was like literally like 10 bucks or something. It's a perfect IMG dupe.
And the Lucky Life belly chain.
Oh, of course. Look at the little sunset behind us.
Should I put it up for the hair or?
For driving like 5 minutes, I feel like it's fine. Top down moment. So these are our nails they gave us. They're little press-ons. I've never had nails this long in my whole life. I don't know how to do anything.
It's kind of fun.
They're fun. Fun shape. Oh, I look gross. Okay, so we put on the nails, did some like PJ pictures and videos, and now we're gonna get to bed. It's like 11:30, and we're getting up at 7:45 to be ready by 8:15 to shoot some more stuff in the morning. I think we're just trying to like get a lot done before it gets super, super hot. So early morning. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Good morning vlog. It is like 7:45. We just woke up and we're gonna start making TikToks, getting ready, taking pictures. We set us a schedule last night. We got a full day, so I'll take you guys along. I think the first thing we're gonna start our TikTok, like a TikTok, and then see what we can do throughout the day.
Oh, I'm tired.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little transition here. Okay, time to do some hair and makeup. Okay, we're gonna grab some Starbucks and then I think they're gonna do our hair and stuff and make us look a little cute. But I need coffee like right now. I'm so tired. Hair time! Making a TikTok, guys. Okay. Ready? TikTok stars here. Okay, I'm trying to find TikTok sounds to make more TikToks. That's my mission right now. My job is really hard.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, hair is done. She did like these really big bouncy curls, super fun. And now we're shooting some stuff in this like little workout set. So I have this gray one on and then Mia's got a little blue one on. Okay, so we're doing a little yoga photo shoot. And we're just gonna pose with some of these granola bars, yoga mat.
I'll grab our little tripod.
I have that Lens Buddy app on my phone. That's good.
So just get some cute ones and maybe like
Should we hold the
bars in
bars?
your photo or like eating them. I'm gonna touch up Kristen's hair and then we're gonna do some still
Just show a
shots in
little-
front of the
this
Bronco.
Okay.
So maybe spend like 20 minutes doing this, the
Okay.
workout and the keto bars, and then throw on a cute outfit for the Bronco.
We should introduce the vlogs to each other.
Vlogception.
Ella's vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. Now we're doing the car shoot. So let's get ready again. Outfit change number 2.
I just want to lay by that pool.
I feel like maybe in the afternoon we can lay by the pool. Okay, outfit number 2. Got this little terry cloth set from Marquette Boutique on Insta. And I don't know what shoes for. I don't know if we should do like sandals or like the cowboy boots again. Maybe we should like ask what they want us to wear, but this is the fit.
You guys like are the funniest bitches in the world. There you go. Get the real smile.
And then look back at me.
You're just so much brighter.
Now we're matching. This is the 3rd time I've changed today.
And it's 11.
Yeah, it's 11. We're just getting all the content. Okay, now we're on our way to shoot in this little car. We're on the move, guys, going on location. There's the car. That's so cute. Okay, now we're gonna go get some pictures and our matching outfits on the street somewhere. Okay, we brought the tripod out here and we're gonna try to get our own pictures in the street. next outfit. Got this cute little set. This is Madison's again. I don't know where it's from. Sponsored by Madison, honestly. Venturing to find some lunch. I think this wrap is vegan. Yeah, no cheese. Perfect. This is Brooklyn. She did my hair, and she's gonna explain a little bit what she did to me, so if anyone likes my hair, they know what to ask for, kind of.
Yes. So when she came in, she definitely Ella had more of a golden blonde.
Yeah.
Every blonde's biggest concern is we want to be more blonde, but we don't want the damage. So there's a way to do it. What we did was we baby lighted her hair with a super low volume. We just used a 7 volume. We gave her a full highlight. We also tipped out her ends so that you can get these bright pops of blonde in there.
Yeah, I love that.
Yes. And then we did root shadow her just a little bit. So it's a really soft, natural grow out. When it grows back in, we use a level 7 in shade ZQ. And then we popped in some nice extensions to give her some volume and fullness. So can't go wrong with baby lights and some hand-tied extensions.
Yes, and they look amazing. So guys, the pool has been there the whole time. We haven't been in the pool once. Finally, we're doing the bathing suit shoot. It's been so tempting. We're having a moment. We're really tired, but I think we're gonna get a second win. So I think I literally brought 6 bikinis. I'm probably gonna wear one, but I'm just very prepared. Okay, here's the bikini outfit. This top is Mia's, it's from Shein, and then this little skirt thing is from Savage X Fenty. I don't think it's supposed to be a cover up, but like I feel like it kind of works.
Super cute.
And then where's your set from?
Shein.
We love Shein bikinis. It kind of works.
They're honestly fire.
Yeah, and it's good for like trendy stuff that you're only gonna wear a couple times. Okay, we're gonna walk out there looking like hoes.
I like the floaty over here. Oh, should I get in?
Yeah.
Should I like?
There you go. Okay.
Now I need to get back over.
Wait, what is it?
Oh, man.
Get some more. This is good. No, wait, that's so cutie.
I'll crawl out. I look.
Okay guys, it's about 6:30 now, and I think we're done shooting, so we're just packing up and everything. It was a long it's been like 26 hours since we've been here. Got a lot done, lots of pictures, lots of TikToks, a bunch of different photo shoots. I think, I mean, we haven't seen like the photos they took yet, but at least the photos we got are super cute, got a lot done, and all for these free hair extensions that look so bomb. You guys should check out View Extensions. I'll have a link down below. And yeah, that's gonna be the vlog for today. So hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I also post new videos every single Saturday, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok that are both at Ella_Elbells, so be sure to follow me both of those, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!